How to clean and clone the VW Skoda 5QF959655AT Airbag module. A step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Your go-to source for in-depth automobile diagnostics, repair tips, and step-by-step guides. Before we jump into today's topic, I have a small favor to ask. If you love learning about car diagnostics and want to stay updated with the latest tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you find this guide useful, don't forget to drop a super thanks. It really helps keep the content coming. Now let's get right into it. How to fix and clone a VW Skoda 5QF959655AT Airbag module. When dealing with an airbag control module, one of the most common challenges is clearing crash data or replacing the module entirely if it has been damaged. In this guide, we'll walk through how to erase crash data using the right tools and also explain how to clone a replacement module in case of water damage. Which tool can erase crash data for the VW Skoda 5QF959655AT Airbag module? The VW Skoda 5QF959655AT Airbag control module is built using an Infineon MCU microcontroller unit, specifically the TC234L32F. If your goal is to remove crash data and restore the module to working condition, you'll need a specialized tool for the job. One of the most effective tools for erasing crash data on this particular airbag module is the OBDSTAR P50. This device is specifically designed to handle airbag reset functions, allowing you to quickly and efficiently clean the crash data and get everything back to normal. Users who have performed this process report that once the crash data is erased with the OBDSTAR P50, the airbag module functions properly without any further issues. What if the airbag module is water damaged? How to clone and replace it. If the airbag module has suffered water damage or is completely faulty and needs to be replaced, a cloning process is necessary. To do this, you will need to read both the Dflash and Pflash data from the original airbag module and then transfer that data onto a working donor module. Here's how the process works. 1. Extract data from the original module. Using a suitable programmer, read the Dflash and Pflash data from the damaged or non-working airbag module. 2. Write the data to the donor module. Transfer the extracted data onto a new or used SRS, supplemental restraint system, airbag module that is compatible with your vehicle. 3. Verify and compare files. Before finalizing, always double-check by comparing the original and cloned files to ensure they are identical. User experience and insights. Many users have successfully cloned airbag modules using various programmers. One user reported that they successfully used the Xhorse multi-Prog tool to read the MCU without any issues. After extracting the necessary files, they proceeded to write the Dflash and Pflash onto the replacement module. Once the writing process was completed, they compared the files and found them to be 100% identical, confirming a successful cloning process. Important notes to keep in mind. When working with flash memory on airbag modules, it's crucial to follow specific guidelines to avoid damaging the module or encountering errors during programming. You cannot write to the same page location multiple times before erasing it first. Always ensure proper erase cycles before rewriting data. For Pflash sectors, the maximum endurance is 1,000 erase/program cycles. Going beyond this limit may cause permanent damage. For Dflash sectors, up to 125,000 program/erase cycles are supported. If flash read protection is enabled on Pflash or Dflash, the module will become inaccessible to the programmer. This means you won't be able to read or write data unless the protection is removed. Final thoughts and a quick reminder. And that's a complete breakdown of how to clean, clone, and replace the VW Skoda 5QF959655AT Airbag control module. Hopefully, this guide helped you understand the process better. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more in-depth tutorials like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, if this video or guide was helpful, consider leaving a super thanks to support the channel. It helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy diagnosing.